Hello and welcome to Top Golf. We are at the Myrtle Beach location. If you're familiar with this channel, I did a whole video of the interior before, but that's not what this video is about. I wanted to give you an overview of this facility because it's quite large. And if you're not familiar with Top Golf and you don't know what it is, this is a really good way to wrap your head around the concept of Top Golf. So first thing you're going to notice when you show up to this place, it is 4 stories tall. 4 stories. There's a full bar, a full restaurant, and of course, golfing. The restaurant and bar areas extend to the exterior on this side of the building, as you can see. The real heart and soul of this complex is over yonder, here at the actual driving range. So we're going to get a really good look at these score holes. I don't really know what to call these things, but we'll get a good look at them and you'll see how they function. So you're going to be hitting golf balls off of these 4 floors toward these goals, these nets. Each one of these quadrants, like a dartboard, are worth a different amount of points. And your golf ball is chipped as in like microchip. So when your ball goes into these nets, it gives you a score. So it's like bowling, where you have a screen and a scoreboard. Really cool, really interesting, very unique experience. You see this net all around the driving range to make sure your golf ball doesn't go off to the side, hit a car. Luckily, no golf balls hit the drone during the filming of this. But you get a really good idea of what these score nets are with this view, and a really good idea of what the actual driving range consists of. Now you see these floors here that run all the way across. Oh, I misspoke. There are 3 floors. From the other side of the building, it looked like 4. 3 floors to tee off from. Obviously, depending on your starting elevation, you need to use a different kind of shot to hit your goals. So for the local people who play here a lot, they like to vary which floor they play, which side they play. It kind of mixes it up a little bit because there is a membership here. So before you start playing, you're going to have to pay a membership. There's a close-up of those nets. And it will keep record of your scores. So it's, like I alluded to earlier, a lot like a bowling alley or a bowling league. It's good times and it's worth revisiting. And as I alluded to in my original video about this place, which I'll put a link to it down below and I'll play a little clip of it in the bottom of the screen in a moment, you could play golf in the rain because it is enclosed, relatively enclosed, as long as it's not a hurricane, obviously, and still play some golf without getting wet. There's another one of those smaller goals right there. Now, there are nets that extend, that hang over each of these driving tees, so if you've had a few too many and you stumble, you're not going to fall to your demise. Let's swing back across the building, and as we do, show you a little clip right here of what the facility looks like from the inside in my previous video, where we hit some balls, ate some food, good times. So now that you've seen the exterior and you kind of get an idea of the mechanics, the ins and outs of how this facility functions, go check out that other video, see how the inside works, and then next time you're in Myrtle Beach, stop by, hit some golf balls. You do not need to be good at golf to play here. Trust me, because I am not good, and I had a good time. All right, everybody, until next time, take it easy.